Kuma Kirinyaga arutwo 733 aria mekire wega kigeranio gia KCSE mwaka muhituku kuma kaunti-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini ni macaguritwo kuingira mubango-ini wa Equity wa mathomo ma utongoria. Urugamiriri wa mubango uyu ukoretwo kiriuga kundu gutiganite gucemania na arutwo aya riri mathomo maya merigiriirwo gukahingurwo weru ihinda-ini ria ciumia 2 ciokite. Hamwe na aria macaguritwo ni arutwo 337 aria marari mutatara-ini wa Wings to Fly na Elimu Scholars aria megwatĩire grade ya A na A-. Arutwo 290 aria megwatĩire point 84 na angĩ 106 kuma icigo-ini ciothe cia ũmbunge bũrũri-inĩ.
Investment in the future, a deliberate commitment to nurturing leadership, cultivating talent, and reaffirming Equity's role as a true partner in development.
My parents could not support me financially in my academic journey. I was about really to fail completely. Then Equity took me, they supported me, they encouraged me. We had mentors who usually came to school at least twice a month, and they could encourage us, and that kept me going.
I didn't have the hope of joining high school. Were it not for Equity, which I heard it from my class teacher who embraced the opportunity to me, I wouldn't have known about it.
Things changed from the time Equity came in, and I will forever be grateful to this foundation. And my aim is to extend this gesture